So planar tracking is one of the new features in Filmora 14. Basically, you can track any flat surface like a ceiling, wall, or in this case, this billboard, and you can replace the content with something else, like you can replace it with a picture or even a different video. So this feature is actually quite easy to use, and I'll show you how you can use planar tracking in Filmora 14 because this feature is only available in that version or something higher than that. Now I'm going to put the video that I'm going to use as a demonstration right here, which is a simple video of someone recording a brick wall with different angle and it is moving. So this is actually quite complex, but thanks to planar tracking we can track the surface of this wall quite easily. Now let's put that wall into this timeline, and I'm going to select the appropriate media size, and here how you can use it. So click on the clip and then go to AI tools, and after that you want to navigate to this menu that says planar tracking. Enable that menu, and you can see here that there are two different options. There is auto and advanced mode. Now technically they do look very similar, but I do recommend to use the advanced mode. It is still very easy, but the benefit of using the advanced mode is that you can enable the highest quality. So the model or maybe the AI that is being used in this tool is going to be way better than the auto mode. So I highly recommend to use the advanced mode. Now I'll try to use this, and after that I'll set the accuracy to be high. This option is not available if you're using the auto mode, so that's one thing to keep in mind here. So let's use advanced mode and then enable high, and here you have to select the area that you want to track. So for this example, I'll try to track maybe around this area, and here I'll try to make it as realistic as possible. Let's put it this, and there you go. I think that's good enough. Maybe not exactly clean, but I'm quite happy with the result. Now when you're done selecting the area that you want to track, you can click on this play button. So after you click on that button, you basically have to wait until AI in Filmora to track the whole scene. So this process could take quite a while. Oh, sorry about that. Let me try it again. Okay, let me try clicking on this button again. And just wait until it's finished. It's actually running, by the way, but it's very, very slow. Maybe because my computer is not fast, or maybe also the video is quite complex, but you can see that it is actually moving. Now I highly recommend to not touch anything, do not do any editing, just watch it running, keep it running, don't do anything, and that's basically all that you need to do. You can open other programs, but do not do anything else on Filmora. And the benefit of using the advanced mode is that you can actually stop at any time you like. You can click on this button to stop the tracking, and therefore the tracking data will stop on that particular section. So this feature again is not available on the basic version. So given that this process will take quite a while, I'll just skip forward and show you the final result. So after about a while, I got this result. Now that the tracking is done, I can replace this content with other elements, like I could put a picture or even a video. Now in order to do that, you can click on this section that says link element, and then you can blur the object or blur the area, or you can also add an element from your computer. I'm going to select this option, and I'll select this gravity. Let's click open, and there you go. So if I play this video, that element will be tracked according to the movement of the camera. As you can see, it is quite stable and it is not appear on this section of the video anymore because, well, that section is gone. So yeah, that's really amazing that we can use planar tracking on Filmora with that simple setting. And by the way, if you click on this element, you can actually adjust various settings. If you go to the image and then basic menu, you can make it bigger. You can also rotate this object, so it's going to be more realistic according to the wall. So yeah, I guess that's everything that you need to know about planar tracking in Filmora 14. So if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.